Hi friends, today we are asked to solve for x. Welcome back to my channel. Now first of all, let's cancel this x from here, and the only way to do that is to raise each side of this equation to the power of 1 over x. So we have square root of 6 raised to the power of x raised to the power of 1 over x is equal to x to the power of 9 raised to the power of 1 over x. Now remember that a to the power of m raised to the power of n is equal to a to the power of m times n. So it simply means that this is same thing as x multiplied by 1 over x, right? So we have square root of 6 raised to the power of x multiplied by 1 over x is equal to x to the power of 9 multiplied by 1 over x. All right, now x is going to cancel x, so we have square root of 6 is equal to x to the power of, we bring this in, 1 over x multiplied by 9. Okay, now we have square root of 6 is equal to x raised to the power of, remember that a raised to the power of m multiplied by n is equal to a to the power of m times n, and this is also equal to a to the power of n raised to the power of m. Okay, so it simply means that we can interchange the position, so we can decide to bring 1 over x in and then raise this to the power of 9. All right, now in order to remove this 9, let us raise each side to the power of 9. So we have square root of 6 raised to the power of 9 is equal to x to the power of 1 over x raised to the power of 9. Now raised to the power of, raised to the power of 1 over 9. So 1 over 9. So this one raised to the power of 1 over 9 as well. So we have square root of 6 raised to the power of 1 over 9 is equal to x to the power of 1 over x raised to the power of 9 multiplied by 1 over 9. So we have square root of 6 raised to the power of 1 over 9 is equal to x to the power of 1 over x raised to the power of 1. This is still x to the power of 1 over x. All right, so we'll have square root of 6. Let us raise this to the power of 2 divided by 2 multiplied by 1 over 9 is equal to x to the power of 1 over x. All right, so we have square root of 6. Now let's bring in a square. Let's bring in a square so that you can cancel this square root sign. Okay, so raised to the power of 2. Now we are left with 1 over 2 multiplied by 1 over 9 is equal to x to the power of 1 over x. Okay, now we have this square is going to cancel this square root, so we are left with 6 to the power of 1 times 1 is 1 and 2 times 9 is 18 is equal to x to the power of 1 over x. If this is the first time you are seeing us, click the subscription button and turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss our amazing videos. Yeah, we upload our videos every day, so tune in at your convenience to watch our new uploads and give us a thumbs up if you're actually enjoying this video. At the end of this video, we are going to prove that the answer we got is correct, and that is the most interesting aspect of this video, so please stay tuned. All right, now let's continue. So let us multiply and divide by 2 here. So we have 6 to the power of 1 over 18 raised to the power of 2 over 2, okay, is equal to x to the power of 1 over x. So here we have 6 to the power of, let's bring this in, so we have 6 to the power of 2. All right, now we are left with 1 over 18 times 2, right? 1 over 18 multiplied by 2, yeah, is equal to x to the power of 1 over x. So we have 6 squared will give us 36. Okay, raised to the power of 1 over, this is 36, not 3 to the power of 6, sorry. All right, now raised to the power of 1 over 36 is equal to x to the power of 1 over x. Now from here you can see that x is equal to 36 by comparison. Okay, by comparison we can see that x is equal to 36. Okay, 9 big has finished, so let's continue. So by comparison, x is equal to 36, and also you can say, or, yeah, this one is black, or 1 over 36 is equal to 1 over x. And from there, you can also see that x is equal to 36. All right. Now, let us verify. Let's verify. So, if we verify, the question says that square root of 6 to the power of x is equal to x to the power of 9. Now, let's check. Square root of 6 to the power of x is equal to x to the power of 9. All right. Now, remember that our x is 36, okay? So, we have square root of 6 raised to the power of 36 is equal to 36 raised to the power of 9. Now, remember that square root of x is equal to x to the power of half. So, that means that we can write this as 6 to the power of half raised to the power of 36 is equal to 36 to the power of 9. Now, recall that a to the power of m raised to the power of n is equal to a to the power of m times n. So let me write what we wrote last. 6 to the power of half raised to the power of 36 is equal to 36 to the power of 9. So that means that this can be written as 6 to the power of half multiplied by 36 is equal to 36 to the power of 9. Now, 2 we divide this to give us 18. So what we have here is 6 to the power of 18 is equal to 36 to the power of 9. Now, recall that 18 is same thing as 2 multiplied by 9. So we have 6 to the power of 2 multiplied by 9 is equal to 36 to the power of 9. Now, if we apply this, okay, so this simply means that this can be written as 6 squared raised to the power of 9 is equal to 36 to the power of 9. So 6 squared is 36. We have 36 to the power of 9 is equal to 36 to the power of 9. Or there is another way and the shorter way. We are told that square root of 6 to the power of x is equal to x to the power of 9, okay? So we have square root of 6 to the power of 36, since our x is 36, is equal to 36 to the power of 9, all right? Now, 6 is same thing, square root of 6 is same thing as 6 to the power of half, right? So 6 to the power of half raised to the power of 36 is equal to 36 to the power of 9. So from here we have 6 to the power of 18 is equal to 36 to the power of 9. Now we have 6 to the power of 18. Let's put them in the same base, right? So 36 is same thing as 6 squared to the power of 9. Now we have 6 to the power of 18 is equal to 6 to the power of 2 multiplied by 9. So 6 to the power of 18 is equal to 6 to the power of 18. And that proves that the answer we got is correct. Thank you so much for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.